Welcome to JG Basic English.
Hi, Lucas. It's so nice to see you again.
Hi, Anna. What a surprise. How are you?
I'm doing very well. And you?
I'm good, thank you. I didn't expect to see you today.
Me neither. I decided to come to the park after work.
That's nice. I finished my classes early today.
How are your studies going?
They're going well.
That's great to hear. Do you still practice every day?
Yes, I try to practice a little every day.
Tell me more about how you practice.
I read short texts and watch videos in English.
That's a good way to learn.
Yes, and sometimes I speak English with my classmates.
Speaking is very important.
I know. I'm improving little by little.
Are you still working part-time?
Yes, but now I'm working in a small cafe near my house.
Oh, really? Do you like it?
Yes, the people there are friendly.
What do you do there?
I help customers and make simple drinks.
That sounds nice. Is it very busy?
On weekends, yes. During the week, it's calmer.
I work a lot during the week, too.
Do you still work in an office?
Yes, I do. I have meetings from Monday to Friday.
That sounds busy.
That's why I like coming to the park.
Me too. It helps me relax. I'm practicing cooking these days.
What do you like to cook now?
I make simple meals like salad and pasta.
Oh, really? Was it good?
It was okay. I made a lasagna.
That sounds delicious.
Do you like traveling?
Yes, I like short trips.
Me too. I want to travel more in the future.
Where do you want to go?
I want to visit another country one day.
That's a great dream.
I want to speak English there.
You will do very well.
Thank you, Anna.
You're welcome.
Coming to the park in the afternoon is very beautiful.
Yes, especially to see the sun setting.
I'm really happy we met again today.
Me too. It's always nice to talk to you.
Maybe we will see each other here again.
Yes, that would be nice. It's getting late. Take care, Lucas.
You too, Anna. See you around.
Thanks for watching.